Today we'll do a nail dash removal. Get your nails looking back to fresh. You'll need hot soapy water, use some Dawn dish soap, a flosser, cuticle stick and file, clippers, and cuticle oil of your choice. You'll first want to coat your nails with the cuticle oil. You could also use a coconut oil or vegetable oil that you have at home. And use the cuticle stick to lift the edges a bit to get that oil underneath. Let it soak in so it can start to weaken and loosen that glue. You can also use a coconut oil or a vegetable oil and even add a little bit into the hot soapy water. You'll want to soak for 5 to 10 minutes. You don't need to soak for longer than that. The little trick is to use this flosser. Wiggle that floss right underneath your cuticle of the nail dash and separate your nail from the dash, leaving a clean break so that you don't lose any layers of your nail. The glue comes off smoothly and you're left with no damage. Once they are off, I leave them in the bowl to soak and I focus on cleaning and prepping my nails for either the next set or just to have fresh nails. I'll use the cuticle stick to clean off any residue or extra skin on the sides. I'll use the buffer side of the file to buff away any excess glue. You can also use some acetone on a cotton ball to get it off. I'll clip off any excess skin or nail growth that has happened underneath my dashes and file the edges to make them even and smooth. Then I will finish it off with a little bit more cuticle oil and just let that soak into my nails for the night so they are fresh as new the next day. They're ready for another set or just to be clean and ready to go. From there, if you would like to reuse your dashes, you can clean them off a bit with the cuticle stick, scraping off excess glue, and then also filing them as smooth as possible. And they're ready to be used again, and your nails are fresh and new.